Hello, in this video today we'll show you different options to achieve halos from the freehand parts. Okay, because if we go to the freehand parts, there is some models that you cannot have them with all the different stone shapes. For instance, if we go and look at this one, you see these are all the shapes that we have available. So let me just bring it on, and I will show you different ways to achieve the same result with different parts. So let's load this model. Alright, I will just move it to the side, and now what I will do is bring another freehand part, and we will use, let me think, if I go and do like this, as you can see we have many different settings. So let's use this one. Let's see, because I want a pear shape. Alright, so I will do it with a pear shape and this setting. So as you have seen, the double halo that I choose, it didn't have the pear shape. So now what we are going to do, build it up with this freehand part. Okay, so first we will start with the stone and the setting. Okay, there is many different settings, so if you want to change the prongs, you can change the setting prong size, gem height. So here you already have different options. Okay, then I will bring a setting, but I want to bring a halo which allows me to place a pear shape. So let's see if I can achieve it with this one, and let's see what options this one gives me. Alright, so now I have the halo here. What I will do first is look for the pear shape. This is the pear shape, and now I will reduce the inside width until I get the shape that I'm looking for. I will bring it down like this, and what I will also do is just take metal out, because I want to have the look pretty close to what I have here. Alright, and now what I need to do next is again select the same one. So I can go back here and select the same one. So I go to this one, and now you will see there we go. Again, we have still the square shape. I'll move it here, and I will choose the pear shape from up here. Alright, so now I'm just getting the pear shape. Very good. I will make it more like this, and as you can see, you are getting pretty much the same. If you want to lower the metal, you can do it. So the gem spacing, the halo profile height, and you get pretty much the same that we had here, but with a pear shape. So in CounterSketch you have many different options, and as you can see now we would have something pretty similar. You know that from here, from the when you select any of those, so now I have this one selected. So when you have this one selected, you can change the primary and secondary metals. What does this mean? That now if I change the metal, I will be able to select, just say 18, this one, and because this one I selected that I wanted secondary, I can go here and change it to just say rose gold. Alright. Also something that you can have, before I went back to the library to add a new one, but what you can also have from the options is go here and you can duplicate the selected. So now I will have two of the same one. Alright, so now if I wanna, there we go. So now I would be able to get this one. Again, I have all the options here, so I will be able to bring it a bit lower, and then we will be creating like 3 different halos. So let me just move it a bit more, and now I will do the same with the width. Alright, so here we go. Now we have like a halo with 3 different rows. If I want to change the metal again, I can go here. So now I can go and say that the primary metal I want to be 14 white, and I get this look. So I hope that this video is useful. So it's just showing you how to achieve different results with CounterSketch. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.